Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. This is a practice video for the previous lesson that we had about superlative adjectives. For each item, I will give you 5 seconds to answer the question before I provide the correct answer. If you need more time, you can always pause the video. Let us begin. Complete the following sentences. This is the highest tree in the park. Ito ang pinakamataas na puno sa parke. This is the most luxurious hotel in the city. Ito ang pinakamamahaling hotel sa syudad. You are the richest person here. Ikaw ang pinakamayamang tao rito. Palawan is the most popular destination in the country. Palawan ang pinakasikat na destinasyon sa bansa. Lucia is the oldest member of our family. Si Lucia ang pinakamatandang miyembro ng pamilya natin. Sisig is the cheapest dish on the menu. Sisig ang pinakamurang putahe sa menu. This is the most beautiful view I've ever seen. Ito ang pinakamagandang tanawin na nakita ko. That is the brightest star in the sky tonight. Iyon ang pinakamaliwanag na bituin sa langit ngayong gabi. She is the youngest player on the team. Siya ang pinakabatang manlalaro sa koponan. Durian is the stinkiest fruit among all. Durian ang pinakamabahong prutas sa lahat. Form the following sentences in Tagalog. This time, please begin the sentences with the superlative adjectives. Eduardo is the most handsome among friends. Pinakapogi si Eduardo sa magkakaibigan. Or you can also say, pinakagwapo si Eduardo sa magkakaibigan. He or she is the youngest in class. Pinakabata siya sa klase. Marco is the most responsible among the siblings. Pinakaresponsable si Marco sa magkakapatid. He or she is the fastest in the group. Pinakamabilis siya sa grupo. Erica is the richest among all the business owners. Pinakamayaman si Erica sa lahat ng mga negosyante. So, how well did you do in today's practice video? Let me know in the comments. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.